Hi everyone, we are planting potatoes. So this will be a quick little video showing how you can easily plant potatoes. So these potatoes we got at OK Organics in Oklahoma City, but you can get them at any nursery. You don't want to get the ones from the grocery store because they've probably been sprayed with something that'll keep them from sprouting, and you want them to sprout like this. So we've had these sitting out on our counter for the past couple weeks, for about 3 weeks now. And you let them to sit out until they grow some sprouts, and then I have these smart pots, and these are the 20 gallon or the 25 gallon. The bigger you can do, the better. And basically I fill them about halfway, and I put the potatoes down halfway in the smart pot, and then I cover them. And then I've actually got these potatoes here that I've already planted, and I'll show. Carrie, I can't see the screen. Is it showing the potatoes?
Yes.
Okay, so these potatoes were planted probably 3 weeks ago or so. So that's what they're going to look like when they pop up. I put about 4 or 5 in each one, and this is actually spinach. It's kind of interplanted around the potatoes, but it's super simple to grow potatoes. They taste way better than anything you can get in the store. Here, help me set this thing back up. So anyway, we're going to finish planting potatoes through all of these, and then we have some onions that we're going to plant as well. So we will go back live whenever we are planting the onions. If you have any questions between now and then, leave them as a comment on this video or on our page, and then we'll answer them when we go live in a minute. So we're going to finish planting these potatoes and then we'll come back here in a few minutes. Playing potato ball, I think. I think that's the game, is throw them in the... Okay, do we remember which ones we planted?
Over here.
And this one. But not this one, right?
I don't know if you planted over here.
Yeah, Mary and I just planted this one.
Oh, I thought you guys just planted this one.
We did that one too. So this one we need to plant.
Junior, you need to throw over here. Come here. Come here.
And this one, that
Throw
one.
them over here.
Hey, over here. Over here.
Over here. Come
These
here.
ones are worth more points. Hey, these are 3-pointers over here.
Whoa!
I know, but you can be like Steph Curry if you make it over here. Come on, shoot it in there.
Oh, close. You're one step closer.
Okay, you got to keep track of what we planted where. Or if we planted. I'm just going to get these planted before I forget.
Oh no. Here. Okay. You have 2 more. Throw them over here. Over here.